While we winning, to them it's a park bench, that's a magic carpet. Little ships a target, turned to avant-garde shit. I promise.
Hey, what is up? It's your girl Alicia Tungpalan, and she is back with another vlog. Today gonna be lit. We are gonna go to the Knott's Berry Farm theme park and ride some roller coasters, because you already know what's up. Today is a great day in California, as you can see. Like, this weather is good. Like Las Vegas, the dry ass weather. Oh, hell to the no. But yeah, today's agenda, we're just gonna ride some roller coasters, get lit, then we're gonna go to another hotel. So we'll see you at the theme park. We are here. Hey. It's lit. I'm ready to ride rides. Are you? What's she so focused on? What the? Yo, I'm ready. I'm not gonna bring the camera on any of the rides. I'm not trying to break these rides or nothing.
Oh, you didn't have to do that.
Okay, let me hear you not scream on all rides.
I'm a scream.
Okay, nothing to me.
I won't. You're like, oh, I don't want to go on that ride.
I'll see you guys inside. So we are here in Knott's Berry Farm, and it's like really packed. And I'm ready to ride the rides. Are you?
Always ready, boy.
Shut your ass up. Oh my god, they got horses here. Oh my god, it's so hot right now. I just want to go in there. It's like 80 degrees and we can't even handle it. Span or whatever. Don't know what they're doing here, but they have made some maps. Hey, you know what's up? What's my channel? Oh my god, hey. I'm not that big, but like, okay.
What's your channel?
What's my, you want my channel?
Keeping your head back against the headrest at all times. Thank you, and enjoy your ride.
Yeah, we're riding that. We're about to, what's it called? Supreme Screamer, so I'm not bringing my camera on top. I'm not trying to make a break. $700 down the drain. Hell. But yeah. So we just got done riding the Supreme Scream, and
wait, the exit.
Oh, bruh, dude, that first drop made my head so. You have to go all the way down. That first drop, oh god, that was nothing. Be quiet! Oh my god, I'm scared. But we got like 1,000 more rides to go, so let's get it. Yo, you already know what's up. Oh, jeez.
There's all these people looking and watching, but like, I need to relax. This is normal. This is vlogger's life.
This is the life. If you want it, this is the life. Hold on. Oh my god, you broke the screen. Today's a great day, sunny day in Anaheim.
You never know when you're finding.
I'm gonna, oh my god. Okay, you already know the pictures are about to happen. Let's get it, yo. You already know. The lighting is really bad, oh my god. But it's okay, we still make it work. This is the ride above me. This is one that go hella fast, and like it's only like what, 12 seconds. There's like no one behind us.
In 1934.
Oh no, never mind, there's a kid right there. So yeah. Damn, look how long the line is.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna get dark here.
We're gonna be here for hours. Ah, bye bye. So I have some friends, and they asked me if I had a YouTube channel. I said yes, because you know the drill. Hey, you know what's up. Everybody's like complimenting my brother's tattoo.
I saw you on story.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. No. Peace be with you.
Oh yeah.
Wait, do you have a YouTube channel?
I do actually.
Wait, can I see?
Are you serious? Well, I'm not that big yet, but you know, everyone starts somewhere.
Oh my god.
Yeah, everyone's.
Hey, do you guys want a shout out? I could give you guys.
I have a YouTube channel.
You have a shout out your YouTube channel. Go ahead.
YouTube channel is called Professional Savages.
Yeah,
Go
there
subscribe.
There you go, Professional Savages. Yeah, whatever.
Yeah?
Whatever.
What is it? Matthew_6028.
There you go.
And my Snapchat is Matthew-6028.
Oh, there you go.
yeah.
Hey, you know what's up?
Wait, do you want to be in your vlog?
Hey, what's up?
Thanks, wow.
Deuces.
Oh, George.
Oh my god, everybody here is so nice, dude.
Oh my god, I love Cali people.
I love Cali people, they're like the best. It says something, but I don't know what it says. Like, I'm trying to say something. It's disappearing. Try the sky hashtag.
Hashtag.
Yeah, it has a hashtag. Oh, how did they do that? That's so lit. Like, look at it.
Try the sky. There's some more.
Try the sky. Hashtag sky. Hashtag sky. Sky.
Hashtag sky.
Guys, I don't know what it says.
Nobody even sees it.
Yeah, like what the heck? Do you guys see that?
Try
Oh wait,
the
it says
Try the sky. Sky Tia. Sky type. Oh, it's giving an advertisement. We are heading out to go get some funnel cake because we're hungry and we haven't eaten since the morning. So we're trying to find it, but we don't know where it is because this place is huge.
I don't know.
You take a picture there.
Today's a great over there.
Oh, you shouldn't close that.
Oh no, I want like a place with flowers. Okay, so we didn't get funnel cake. We got panda instead. And we get free food like every 90 minutes. So yeah, it's like worth it. Okay, we're about to ride Ghost Rider. It's like hella scary. Look at it. Oh my god. Where do we go? Oh. Okay, we're back out in the night. Okay. There's like a lot of people.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
After 3 hours, we finally rode that and it was worth it.
Was it 3 hours?
Yeah, it was. It was 3 hours. Okay, yeah. Everybody's complimenting him. I don't even know.
There's Wi-Fi here.
Me, Kristen, and Lauren have been here alone ever since we got here because my mom and dad and actually went to go pick up the dog. The whole family is finally here. fortune cookie and I'm gonna tell you guys what I got. Today has been a long day. And you guys were with me this whole time. Amen, sister. Oh my god. My magnetic personality will draw people to me. Like, do I draw? Yeah, just one more ride, then we're gonna go back to the hotel and we're gonna see our new dog that we got because I didn't see her yet. And I'll be sure to vlog that. Tomorrow is gonna be another long day. We're gonna go to the Universal Studios tomorrow, to the LA store, and buy some merch or whatever. We are leaving Knott's Farm. It's been a fun day. So goodbye Knott's Farm until we meet again, because I don't know when we're gonna come back to California, but I'll see you guys back at the hotel and I'll show you guys our new dog. We made it to the hotel room and let me just give you a tour. So this is where you enter. You come here on the left and you see the beds. Okay, and it's like a see-through. And there's Cashy boy. Hi, Cash. Oh, you're so cute. TV, closet, another closet. You walk in here and you see your girl Alicia Tungpalan. What's up? And then you hear it's like a bathtub, bathroom, or whatever. You come here. This is like our hangout, living room place, TV, water. And Cash again. You come in here. Here's a bathroom.
Look at the little baby.
And here's the little baby.
What the hell? There's a lot of doo-doo.
You're so... Oh, you're so cute. You're so tiny. Hi, boy. Girl, I called you a boy. Hello.
Daddy, he's cold.
Oh, you're cold, huh?
It's so funny how
It's our new doggy. And then we come over here, excuse me. And here's like a room. This is gonna be Christian's room, I guarantee you. And our view is just so, you can see me, but oh my god! You can see me, but what's up? I'll show you guys it when it's daytime tomorrow. It's gonna be lit. Tomorrow's gonna be a good day. So I'll see you guys tomorrow until we meet again. Deuces, love you guys.